How to turn on dark mode on Reddit. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so, which is pretty easy. So just dive right into the video and get started. So for that, what we can do is we can just go over and open up the Reddit application on our device if you have not opened it up, and we can look out for the profile picture option or the menu option in the top left corner and tap on it, or let's directly head over to our profile by tapping on the avatar in the top right corner. Now, once you tap on it, your profile appears like this. Now, what we can do is basically go ahead and look out for the settings option. You can tap on the menu option in the top and pops up. So from here, what we can do is look out for the settings option from the menu and access our settings here directly. Now, if we want to go ahead and turn on dark mode, we can look out for dark mode option here. So you can find this dark mode option. We have auto dark mode, and right now it's following my operating system settings, which is light mode. But if you want to turn it dark mode, what we can do is we can select it, and then we can just go over and turn this option off or turn it on, sunrise or sunset, and you can just go over, and here you can just go over and tap on sunset or sunrise, and it will give you the auto dark mode option here. You can just go over and turn it on, or you can tap on turn off to turn it off and enable this dark mode toggle option here as well. And that should also work out for you. We have light theme available for that. You can tap on it and you can select the kind of light theme you would like for your dark mode. For example, mint, pony, trees, etc. in even dark theme. For night or midnight amyloid, you can turn it on, and you can also select follow the operating system settings to match your phone's system there. But usually, in order to turn on the dark mode, you can just go over and follow out this method, and the dark mode will be enabled on our Reddit very easily. You may follow out this method for that. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and